In the NEC4 suite of contracts, the contract data is a fundamental component that shapes how the contract will operate in practice. It is split into two parts. Part 1, which is completed by the client, and Part 2, completed by the contractor. Both must be filled out clearly and accurately to ensure a shared understanding and to avoid disputes during the project. Here's a guide on how to complete Part 2. Once the client has issued Contract Data Part 1, with the tender documents, the contractor completes Part 2 as part of their tender submission. This section reflects how the contractor proposes to meet the client's requirements. Contractor's details. Insert the full legal name of the contractor. Provide contact information and details of the key individuals responsible for the works. Pricing information. Submit either an activity schedule for options A and C or a bill of quantities for options B and D, depending on the contract. Make sure it aligns with the scope and method of working proposed. Key people. Name the key personnel, e.g. site manager, design lead, and describe their roles and relevant experience. Working areas and constraints. Identify the working areas and any constraints or special considerations for site logistics. Design responsibility. If the contractor is responsible for design, clearly state which parts of the work they will design. Mention any associated procedures, submission timelines, or approvals required. Propose program. If required at tender stage, include a draft program showing key milestones, float, and critical path items. This demonstrates understanding and planning competence. A well-completed contract data is not just administration, it's the operational blueprint of the project. Taking the time to get it right pays dividends later. Metroun, a commercial hub for your business.